guys, welcome to my channel. So today is officially day 3 of the trip, which means that I already did the race. If you haven't watched that video, go ahead and search the Wandering Panda, like Princess Race. I don't know what I'm going to title it yet, but just look on my channel and you'll find it. But today what we have planned is also going to lunch at Steakhouse 71. That's why I'm at the Contemporary. Then we're going to head over to Magic Kingdom. So let's wander on to day 3. The menu. We can pause it to read. You also have a mimosa special for the race day, so I'm gonna get that too. Here is the mimosa that is just for the race marathon weekend. I think that's chocolate on top. I don't know. Maybe it's plastic. I'll figure that out in a little bit. It's the staff burger. It is known as the best burger on property. This is my turkey club. It has some bacon on it. I got it with the petite Caesar salad. It is chocolate. It tastes like white chocolate. For 2 people, 1 drink, it comes to $54.85. So I thought that our meal was really good. I tasted Matt's burger and it was really flavorful. It was a higher price, but I think that it was worth it because it was pork belly instead of bacon. What did you think of it?
I think the pork belly really added something to it. It was one of the better theme park burgers out there. Really well cooked. I liked it a lot.
My turkey club did have a lot of turkey meat on it, which I thought was really good because they could have skimped on that. And they did have 3 layers of bread, which is a club sandwich. It did have a very slim layer of bacon, but otherwise it was really good. And that was my first time having a wedge type of salad. I thought it was pretty good. Well, I thought the Disney bunny.
Try that one again for me.
Peter Pan. So far are Big Thunder Mountain, Peter Pan, Jungle Cruise, and the Haunted Mansion. We're cutting through the shop to get to Big Thunder Mountain, which is our first one. On the way, we're gonna meet Peter Pan.
I can't see a single person. Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat.
Give him a broadside! Pound him, lads! Pound him!
Everyone an egg layer.
Not lest they be laying golden eggs!
Everybody in our boat got a little bit more wet than usual. It must be really hard to draw with a mop. I'm gonna have to try that at work too. Now we're gonna ride Peter Pan. Thank you. Wow. It's funny because a lot of people are saying congratulations because of my medal, and with the first time somebody said it, Matt and I, we were on Thunder Mountain, and we were like, we forgot that we had to pull down the lap bar for some reason, and like she told us to pull it down and we did it, and then she said congratulations, and I thought that they were saying congratulations because we learned how to pull down the lap bar, and then I realized, oh no, it's because of my medal. And now it's time for my favorite ride, the Haunted Mansion. We have a lightning lane for this one too. That's my favorite scan-in for lightning lanes too, is the spooky sounds. That's always a good ride. My favorite is the ride. Who's your favorite ghost? I'm getting popcorn in the park and it's really hot and good. I recommend. It's 7:39 and the fireworks start at 8:15. The current look of the crowd.
Tonight, we gather in a most enchanted kingdom. And once upon a time, it all began with a dream.
Yesterday, Disneyland and the New York World Fair. Tomorrow, a project so vast, it has already been called a whole new Disney World.
As you can see on this map, we have a perfect location in Florida.
Walt Disney World is a tribute to the philosophy and life of Walter Disney. The Walt Disney World brings joy and inspiration and new knowledge to all who come to this happy place. A magic kingdom where the young at heart of all ages can laugh and play and learn together. Dedicated this 25th day of October, 1971.
Close your eyes and just believe you have traveled from so far. Now you're close enough to feel it. With the wind in the sky, when the sun is high.
on another one of my favorite rides. This was actually a show put on at the actual World's Fair.
But we do have this new wash day marvel. Now it takes me only 5 hours to do the wash. Imagine, it used to take 2 days.
Well, that's right, folks. Now Sarah has time for other things like
canning and cleaning the oven.
Yes, dear.
Ovens don't just clean themselves, you know.
Great big beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away.
For instance, our refrigerator holds more food and ice cubes. And thanks to our automatic dishwasher, I don't have to dry the dishes anymore after supper.
John, the oven should respond to your voice commands now. Give it a try.
Oh, okay. Here goes. Temperature to 375.
Temperature increase to 375.
Hey, check it out, Dad. Grandma's up to 975 points.
Wow, 975.
Temperature increase to 975. Make mode overload. Command error.
John, what's wrong with the oven?
What?
So the show is so weird that it is like you can't stop yourself from watching it over and over again and liking it. At least I can't. We're gonna ride the People Mover to get a look at the Tron ride.
Right by two of my favorite spots. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny Orac. And these are two of the best tracks on the Cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
The brand new roller coaster here. It's not even open to the public yet. That is in April.
Attention travelers, your journey has been temporarily delayed. For your safety, please remain seated. Thank you.
We were able to see Tron, but we've been stepping quite a bit on the People Mover. Possibility of being evac'd is high. Pretty cool. First time being evac'd off of any ride, which means evacuated. If there's an issue, a person who works there comes and follows you out. And there was a little bit of a weary moment there because you had to step on the motor of the rail because if you stepped on anything else, it was fiberglass, and they said that you would fall through, and so that was kind of scary. But other than that, we all helped each other across the rails, and we got a free lightning lane that can be used towards any ride. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to use it or not because it is kind of late. It's like after 10 right now. The park closes at 11, but we'll see. So today has came to a close. We still are continuing to have a lot of firsts. We did our first evac, we did our first fireworks show, and lots of other things. And I want to thank you for watching this and coming along on the journey with me. If you haven't liked this video, please do so, or give it a thumbs down, whatever you like. And also, if you haven't subscribed, also do that to stay tuned to all my further endeavors. And we have a lot more fun coming up on this trip too. Well, thank you for watching again, and bye!